guys, so for today's video, I'm so excited to share with you my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. So we're gonna be unboxing today, and I got the one in gold color, and I also got it in 512 gigabyte. I'm gonna show you an unboxing video. It's gonna be like an ASMR kind of video, so I hope you like it. This is my first time doing it. And after that unboxing, I'm gonna show you what accessories I got for this phone. I got the MagSafe charger, at the same time what case I got for this phone, and I'll share with you my cons and my first impression on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So yeah, so let's get on with the unboxing. So here is my iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. I got it in 512 gigabyte. This year's packaging is definitely thinner than the previous ones. So now let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so now let's get on with my first impressions, cons, as well as what accessories I got. So right now, let me give you a closer look for this phone. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. As you can see, you can't really see the gold on the back. It's like pretty much matte color on the back. And the gold is really on the trimming. And as you can see right here, that the trimming and it has that three big camera, and this camera right here. This is what is special about the Pro series of the iPhone 12, is that this lighter camera is good for low light photography. So that's the reason why I really got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, because of all its bells and whistle for this phone. And it's bigger, and I love bigger phones. It was harder for me to edit my videos since I usually edit my videos on my phone. So I love it now that it is a bigger phone, so I could edit it on my phone without any difficulty. Right now I'm filming on my G5X Canon, and so I want to be able to switch to cameras in that way. You know, it's easier to edit, so I don't have to sync it to my phone. It takes great quality pictures, and I'm gonna show you samples of the pictures that I took. Yeah, so that's why I love about this iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I love the subtleness of the back. It's not shiny like the iPhone 10 that, you know, it also take a lot of fingerprints here. So I love how subtle it is, and it's just matte on the back. And so now let's get on with my cons. So one of the cons is that, as you could see, as I was describing this to you, that you could see like bunch of fingerprints already on this phone. And because it's stainless steel, you could see fingerprints, and it gets dingy after a while because it does take, you know, fingerprints on the corners. So another cons that I have, of course, I was switching from a smaller phone to a bigger phone, is that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a tad heavy. So your hand, especially if you're just using one hand to use your phone, it can get tired. So yeah, so that's the disadvantage. But you know, I know about this when I decided to get a bigger phone. And yeah, so really that was two of the cons that I have for this. So I'm supposed to get the MagSafe case from Apple, but I'm having second thoughts, because as I inspect the case, is that the bottom here, it is not protected. So if your phone will fall, and I know it's bound to happen, if your phone will fall that way, then this one is really not protected. So it's open, the clear case for their MagSafe case. So, and I wanted my case to be clear. So the one that they have, the MagSafe that they have, is open on the bottom. So that's the reason why I didn't get it. So as I was anticipating for this phone to come in, I ordered a case from Amazon. And I really love this case, because this is the case that I got using my iPhone 10. And this one is the Spigen or Spigen. I don't know if you say it right. I love cases that are just simple. I don't want it to have all the stuff on it. I just want to protect the phone, and I really like it because it protects the camera. And I'm gonna put it in, I'll show you. And so this is the Spigen, and I'll link it down below if you want to get this item. And so this is really protecting the phone. So the case around it, it's holding it all the way down, and so even the camera, you could see that it's not out. So that's what I'm really looking for, is that I want my camera to be protected. So when you put your phone down like this, it's not gonna scratch the camera lens. So as you can see here, it is protecting it well here. And it protects also volume button right here. And on the bottom, the speakers just have, you know, those two holes, and it has for the charger. And I'm gonna try this case if it will work with the MagSafe charger. But right now, I just want the simplicity of this case. And you know, you could still see a little bit of gold, but not a whole lot. But you know, I'm here to protect my phone. And on the front lens, I got a glass protector. So I also got it from Amazon, and I'll also link it down below on what I got. So it's pretty easy to put in. It was, I think, 3 in a package. So you just kind of line it up on your phone. I like the glass protector more because it doesn't kind of show bubbles and stuff. So yeah, so that's what I got, and I'll show you on the description box all that I bought for this phone. And as you saw my unboxing, it doesn't have a little charging block. So I got the charging block from Apple, and I also got a MagSafe charger. So I'm gonna try that in a little bit and see how this MagSafe charger works. So here is the MagSafe charger, and you could get it I believe for $39 from the Apple store, or you could also get it like, you know, Best Buy. I didn't see this in Amazon.com right now, so I'm not sure. So yeah, so this is the MagSafe charger. So I'm gonna show you how it works, and also I got the USB-C thing that's supposed to connect to that charger. And now we're gonna charge it without the case, and let's see. And the magnet is pretty strong. Without the case, you could pretty much do this, and the magnet holds really good. And so now I'm gonna try it with the case on and how it works. So now with my Spigen case, let's see. It's still charged, and the magnet, it's still good. Continues to charge, as you can see there with the lightning. And so I'm gonna attempt to kind of hold it. So this one comes off, you know, it's not like when it doesn't have a case that you could just hold it, you know, that way. But so even with the aftermarket case, this charger works. And yeah, so here it is. And I really recommend the MagSafe charger if, you know, you could get it, because you are sure that your phone is charging well, and you don't have to gauge if it's charging. You just have to, you know, put it down, and you could see that, you know, it's doing its job. So there you have it. It's the accessories that I got. But you can still use a lightning charger, just like your older iPhone, like so. And it's still charged that way. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I hope that my first impressions, cons, at the same time, what accessories to get, really help you in deciding if you are gonna get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you haven't done so, if you would please consider subscribing to my channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Again, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you soon. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to announce the winner for the Louis Vuitton key pouch and the Chanel Chance cologne. We have 119 entries, and so here it goes. We have 119, and so we generate 92. So let's go, who is 92? Let's scroll down, and we got Matilda Price. Matilda Price, congratulations, you are the winner for the Louis Vuitton. Now we're gonna go the next one for the Chanel Chance cologne, and that is We Are the Gabriels. Congratulations, Matilda Price and We Are the Gabriels. And stay tuned for future giveaways I have in store for you guys.